Peppermint Fudge. Now, I'm using these bright white candy melts because I want extra whiteness. And then my sweetened condensed milk. Got a whole lot of candy making going on, so I'm just reusing my bowl from another recipe. And then the white candy doesn't set up as well as the chocolate, so I'm going to use just a little bit more white. Okay, just a little bit more, just, I don't know, half a cup of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna throw this. Oh, good grief, there's not hardly anything in there. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave and melt it. All right, and then I stir every 30 to 45 seconds just so that it doesn't burn, and then I finish microwaving. Ooh, nice and smooth. Yum. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. All right, got all that melted. Going to add my peppermint flavor. Stir that in. Now for this one, because I really want a contrast between the fudge and my candies, I'm not putting my candies in my fudge. A lot of people do, and that's perfectly fine. If you want to do that, I'd do it however you want. But I want a distinct white Christmas snowy look. So I am not putting my candies in. Okay, and then I have the Peppermint Crunch. I love these things. They are a little hard to find. I will just warn you. So if you're in a big city, you can probably find them easier than me in no man's land, Wyoming. All right, I'm gonna gently pat that in. Yum! Okay, then we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Okay, got my peppermint and get it out. Oh wow, that looks delicious. On a super clean top on this, so I'm going to cut this from the back so I don't drag my peppermints through the white chocolate. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, just like I envisioned. Look at that loveliness. Oh my goodness. White chocolate and peppermint. Doesn't get better than that.